National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Pickaway County, southeastern Franklin County, Ohio, western Fairfield County, until 4 p.m. At 3:08 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Pickaway County Airport, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Circleville, Asheville, Lancaster. In addition, Logan Elm Village, Fox, Tarleton, A.W. Marion State Park, Stoutsville, and South Bloomfield are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Wednesday evening for southeast Indiana and northeastern Kentucky and southwestern Ohio.